Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all happy and stay safe at home. I am again with you all and today we'll start with the next chapter of English literature. The name of the next chapter is A Tale About Tales and the theme of this chapter is Animals and Plants. Firstly, I'll read out this chapter in front of you, then I'll give you a short summary about this chapter. Now let's start with the reading. The name of the chapter is A Tale About Tales. A very long time ago, all the animals who had tails met. Each animal made up its mind how it would use its tail. The cow was the first to speak. She lowed, I shall use mine to keep away flies. Quite right, need the horse, who liked to agree with the cow. I shall do the same with my tail. Meaning of load is sound made by a cow and need sound made by a horse. I shall wag mine to show that I am pleased, bark the dog. Meaning of wag is to move rapidly. Meaning of pleased is happy. That's the last thing I would do, mewed the cat, who could never agree with the dog. I shall wag mine when I am angry. Mewed is sound made by a cat. I shall swing from branch to branch with mine, chattered the monkey. Meaning of swing is to move back and forth. Chattered meaning is talking. The peacock strutted about the same. I shall spread mine out to display its bright colors. Meaning of strutted is walk stiffly in arrogant manner. And meaning of display is show. I shall bob mine up like a little white flag to show when danger is near, the rabbit cried out. Meaning of bob is a quick short up and down movement. I shall use mine as an extra leg to help me to jump, said the kangaroo, hopping and leaping. I shall use mine to keep my back warm in winter time, chattered the squirrel. I shall steer myself through the water with my tail, said the fish. The poor little tadpole was the only animal who did not know what to do with its tiny tail. Now children, meaning of tadpole is early development stage of frog and tiny meaning is very small. When I become a frog, I shall not need it at all. It croaked softly. I shall get rid of it as soon as I grow up. Meaning of croaked is sound made by a frog or crow. And to this day, all these animals use their tails as they had made up their minds to use them a very long time ago. So children, come to the explanation. Now children, this is a story based about the tails of different animals, how they use their tails. In this paragraph, the cow and the horse wanted to make use of their tails to keep the flies away from them. Then dog said use its tail to show that he is pleased. The cat showed that she did not agree with the dog by making the use of her tail opposite of what dog wanted to, which means cat uses tail to show anger. Monkey uses tail to swing from branch to branch by chattering the monkeys. The peacock strutted about because it has the most beautiful and colorful tail among the animals who were present there. Now children, here I is used for rabbit. The rabbit moves its tail in a very quick short up and down movement like a little white flag to show that danger is near. In this paragraph, I is used for kangaroo. The kangaroo's tail acts as an extra to him which helps him in jumping, leaping and hopping. And squirrel used to keep back warm. Fish uses tail to steer through the water only the poor tadpole. Children, tadpole is the early stage of frog who did not know what to do with its tiny tail. So all these animals used their tails as they had made up their minds. Now children, here is an end of chapter. So I hope you all have understood the chapter very nicely. I hope you all will like it. Thank you very much.